In today's tutorial, we'll discuss how to use OCR process tracking in C#. Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use progress tracking while performing OCR using the IronOCR library in a .NET application. First, ensure that you have the IronOCR NuGet package installed in your project. If not, you can easily install it using the NuGet package manager. Moving on to the program.cs file, we start by importing the IronOCR namespace and setting the license key for IronOCR. Next, instantiate IronTesseract to initialize the OCR engine. Subscribe to the OcrProgress event to track the progress of the OCR operation. This event provides detailed information about the progress. The OcrProgress event handler provides useful information such as the progress percentage, total pages, pages completed, duration, start time, and end time of the OCR job. Start time UTC donates the date and time when the OCR job started, represented in coordinates universal time. Total pages indicates the total number of pages being processed by the OCR engine. Progress percent represents the progress of the OCR job as percentage of pages completed. It ranges from 0 to 100. Duration represents the total duration of the OCR job, indicating the time taken for the entire process to complete, and it's measured in time span format. This duration is updated every time the event is triggered. End time UTC represents the date and time when the OCR job was 100% completed in UTC format. This property is null while the OCR is still in progress and gets populated once your OCR progress is finished. Add an input PDF file for OCR processing using the load PDF method, then perform OCR on the input using IronTesseract's read method to obtain the OCR results. So let's run the application to see the OCR progress tracking in action. All right, so as the OCR operation proceeds, the progress event fires, updating the console with the current status of the OCR job. The OCR process completes, and we see the final status updates in the console, including the total duration and end time. So by following these steps, you can easily track the progress of your OCR operations. So don't forget to explore more advanced functionalities of IronOCR for all your efficient document processing tasks. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. If you'd like to get started with IronOCR, please sign up for the trial on the site, continue to download and install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below, check it out for yourself.